Hello, I am Jerry Cham from Computer Coach NG. Today I'm going to show you how to use the AutoSum to add up values. What is the AutoSum? The AutoSum function in Excel is used to add up automatically the values across it. Now, to use, assuming I want to add the whole values here, that is the values for Ali. Assuming I want to add up the scores Ali got in the various subjects to find the total values. Instead of wasting my time to type in the formula, I can just click the AutoSum. Clicking the AutoSum highlights the scores to the across all the scores, all the various scores Ali got in the individual subjects. That is English, chemistry, physics, mathematics, agricultural science, civic education, biology, economics, literature in English. You see, it now highlights it from D5 to L5. The moment you click the AutoSum, it highlights the scores from D5 to L5. All you just have to do is press enter. It gives you the total score. Now, if you have a need to type it individually, all you just need to do is to press the equality sign, then type sum. What does the sum do? What the sum does is tells Mr. Computer, get ready to add a series of numbers. Mr. Computer, get ready to add a series of numbers. Of course, you put the opening parenthesis. Now the computer is now expecting you to put the range of cells that you want it to add up. So the first cell is cell D5. That is English. I press D5. You see, D5 is now highlighted. D5 is now highlighted. Then the next thing is to put a semicolon. Sorry, a full colon. That is colon. Pressing the full colon tells Mr. Computer that it is going to add from D5 to. In other words, the full colon means to. That is from D5 to L5, which is the last value. L5, which is literature. L5. Now you see the way it's highlighted it. D5 to L5. D5 to L5. Then you close, put your closing parenthesis, and you press enter. You see, we just got the same value. Now, if you are not too conversant with the formulas, you can just delete the value and simply click on the AutoSum. The AutoSum automatically highlights these scores, putting in the formulas for you. All you just need to do is what? Press enter. When you press enter, you can now drag across the various names for it to automatically solve other ones. Thank you. I hope you learned a lot in this class. If you enjoy our class, why not click the like button? Don't forget to click the subscribe button to get more tutorials concerning Excel. Thank you.